What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Spike from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So I'm gonna begin with drawing his head. So I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across. And on top of his head, I'm gonna draw an oval shape in the middle. And another one on both sides. And then at the side of his body, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this corner. And back out at the bottom. And then I'm gonna draw a line, a short line on the bottom and the top. And I'm gonna trace the same curved line at the outer point right there. And then from the top point here, I'm gonna draw a straight line down to the lower point right there. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. But on the right side, I'm gonna leave a gap in the center. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a circle off center at this point right there. And then on the top portion inside, I'm gonna trace the same curved line like that. Now for his eyes, I'm gonna draw a circular shape at this point right here. And I'm gonna trace the upper curved line inside of that circle. Now I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the right side as well. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw across a curved line in the center right here. And I'm gonna draw a semicircle line at the corner. And then at the bottom part, I'm gonna draw across another curved line. And at the top portion, I'm just gonna trace the whole shape right there. And then below the mouth, at this point here, I'm gonna draw across a curved line and leave a gap in the middle. And I'm gonna make a turn down and across with a curved line and going back up at that side and back across. And I'm gonna copy the whole top portion right there as well. And at the side point here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down. And then I'm gonna turn it sideways to the center and then go back up. And in the middle of it, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. And I'm gonna mirror that shape of the shorts on the right side. And then for his legs, I'm gonna draw a line down on both sides. And then for the front part, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, and I'm gonna join it across with a straight line. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here as well. Now for his hands on the right, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right here for the thumb, and then for the fingers, I'm gonna draw from the outer point right here, a curved line inwards, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn, and then I'm gonna draw a line out. So we're gonna copy that for the other fingers, going down, and the last one. And then on the outer part here, I'm gonna draw across from the bottom part to the upper point, a curved line. And another curved line in this inner line here, right there. And for the other finger, we're gonna draw a mirror image on the left. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.